So what year is it?
This is a 21,
Okay.
170.
Yeah.
It's the four-wheel drive. It's got the low range.
Yeah.
And it's what do you want to know? I mean, it's got the lift, suspension,
Did you
adjustable
lift
shocks.
it? Oh, look at this. Falcons? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the van cups lift. The adjustable shocks. It's got 35-inch whole tires on it.
Yeah.
Got the 47-gallon fuel tank, 46 gallons of water,
Oh, wow.
1,200 amp hours of batteries. It's got an under mount AC system.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I gotta go under there now.
800 watts of solar.
Oh, there it is. Look at that.
Got an air tank there too for the air compressor.
Oh. Huh. Cool.
It's set up for
Oh, and these open?
Yep. Yeah, they're the shade or the screen.
Oh, that's something you don't see every day there. Maybe I'll take a shot of this side too.
30 amp shore power.
Yeah.
So if you are in a campground, you can hook up if you want.
Oh, yeah. I didn't get, whoops. I didn't get your van compass.
It's got the Baja mount brackets for the shocks.
Oh, yeah, we just put those on.
Did you? Yeah.
Our shock bolts came loose.
Well,
And
I've heard a lot of people have trouble with that if you start going off-road a little bit. But all these are on slides. These boxes come out.
oh, cool. Oh, look at that. Nice.
And my batteries are on the other side of this box. I try to put all the weight over the axles, so the batteries are there and my water tank's there
Okay.
on the inside, so it's all weather capable.
Back in there where I can't really see, but that's okay.
Got 6,000 watts of AC power. So my wife kept kicking the breaker on just 3,000 watts, so I had to put another one in.
So you got two inverters or one really big
two.
one? Oh,
Yeah, just added a sec. I got a Victron system, then I put in a cheapie, Volt Master or something. This just comes out to just.
is that back over there somewhere?
What's that?
The inverters?
There's one right back there. See that back panel? And the other one's inside.
Oh, okay. Huh. I like your drawer with the cords and very organized, you know? That's what you want.
And let's stuck these on. This is a great little addition if you don't have those on your van. Just because if you're on a hill, your doors want to smack you, or if you have wind, you want to keep them open. Problem solved.
Yeah. Well, you got the box too, so you don't want that flapping open.
Yep,
and
a lot of weight there.
Hitting the side of your van.
We got the diesel heater, yes bar.
You like your Fiamma?
Fiamma's good.
Yeah.
We had to put different brackets on there. The original plastic brackets break really easy. You get some strong wind,
Yeah.
they will want to break them. We got an engine oil cooler, transmission oil cooler, and a secondary oil filter to help keep the engine under control.
Boy, this finish is like glass. What is that?
That is epoxy, I
Oh,
guess.
wow. You went a little wild with the buffing, huh?
Well, you just pour this stuff on. Like I said, it just actually just smooths itself out.
Huh. Wow, nice.
It took
nice.
us several tries, and we used cheap wood to do it, and this ended up cracking on us eventually.
Yeah.
But that's our, basically we did electric on one side. This is all our power on this side of the van.
Okay.
We got a full-size fridge, which I haven't seen a van yet with a full-size fridge in it.
Oh, look at that.
We wanted to be able to stay off grid for a week or so at a time, and
Is it 110?
it is 12 volt.
It is 12 volt.
Yeah, 12 volt.
Huh.
And then this back cabinet here,
Yeah.
all our electronics, the Victron stuff is all back here. This is just
Oh,
storage.
okay. Oh, I see.
It's all in the back.
Oh, that's nice layout.
And up here is our air conditioner and our heater.
Okay.
Up here on top. There's our heater controls.
Huh.
This side's got a hang area for clothes.
You're quite the handyman here. Cool. Let me shoot the bed too. Oh, you got your mirror there, which everybody needs. So are these?
You gotta have it.
That's plastic, huh?
Yeah, that's polycarbonate.
Huh. Oh, geez, you got a big TV here too. Nice. Do that again. Oh, I see. Yep. That's your junk drawer.
All storage, all storage.
So you got a lot of room in this
all storage. And this is with our trash and our dirty clothes.
Oh, wow. Nice. Very organized there. Huh. Beautiful. These are
Same thing. Just
all
more
magnets
storage.
too.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Magnets, but I put something for heavy stuff so you don't have to worry about things opening up on you.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We've had this in some pretty serious off-road situations and nothing opens up.
Huh.
It stays closed.
Cool.
It's easy just to pop.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you're
It's
very
great.
welcome. Do you have a YouTube channel? Or?
Yeah, I'll give you a sticker.